How to show your UTS ticket to the TT using the UTS application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can fetch your booked general or unreserved train ticket using the UTS application. So if you have booked any particular unreserved or general ticket using the UTS application and you want to fetch it within the application, then let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is open up your UTS application in your Android or iOS devices, and once you open your UTS application you will be greeted with a user interface like this, and within this interface you have different types of options. So simply make sure you have selected the journey ticket option, and within this particular option you can see this button that says show ticket. So simply click onto this show ticket button and it will show you all of the tickets that you have booked and are currently active. So currently this says no transaction found. If you have booked the paperless ticket and have not found it here, please sync from the server again by selecting source station sync option given below. So in my case currently no ticket is being shown because I have not booked any ticket and no ticket is active. But in your case, if you have booked a ticket, it might get shown here, or if it does not get shown here, you can simply click onto this source station sync button which is present and stated right here. So once you will do this, you need to select the source station name or the source station code, and after you are done with this, your ticket or the transaction might appear here. So that's how easily you can fetch your general or unreserved train ticket using the UTS mobile application. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.